In this guide, we'll walk you through the seamless process of bringing your existing data into Retable from various sources like CSV and XLS files, Airtable, Google Sheets, or even direct URLs. Additionally, we'll explore how to kickstart your projects using Retable's versatile templates. Let's get started by understanding the importance of importing data efficiently and how it can transform your data management experience in Retable. Importing data is a fundamental feature that allows users to transition their existing databases or spreadsheets into Retable's dynamic environment. This process not only saves time, but also ensures that you can quickly leverage Retable's powerful features without starting from scratch. Whether it's from a CSV file, Airtable, or Google Sheets, importing is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Importing a CSV or XLS file. Click the Add New Project icon on the top right side of your workspace. Select Import a CSV or XLS and choose the file from your local desktop. If the first line is header, select First row is header. Click Upload to complete the import. Importing from Airtable. Now you can see that a pop-up window will open in order to import from Airtable. So firstly, log into your Airtable account and get your Airtable personal access token. Come back to your Retable dashboard. Click the Add Project button on the top right of the workspace where you want to import your Airtable base. Select Import from Airtable option from the pop-up window that opens. Enter your Airtable personal access token to Retable's Import from Airtable screen. Click the Next button. Select the Airtable base you want to import into Retable. After completing all your selections, click the Import button. Depending on your data size, it may take several minutes. You'll be notified via email when your import is completed. Refresh your dashboard after receiving your email notification. Importing an existing CSV or XLS. Click on the three dots next to the table name and choose Import a CSV or XLS. Decide whether to insert data or replace data. Select the file from your desktop, match the columns if needed, and upload. Importing a Retable file. From Add Project, click the Add New icon and select Import Retable. Choose the Retable file you saved previously and click Upload. Importing file from URL. For importing file from URL, you need to go in your project and add a new table in your project. Select Import File from URL. Paste the URL of the CSV or XLS file you want to import and proceed. Importing Google Sheets. Choose Import Google Sheet after clicking Add New. Connect to your Google account and select the file you wish to import. Templates in Retable offer a quick start to your projects. They are pre-designed frameworks tailored for various use cases, allowing you to focus on the content rather than the setup. Using templates can dramatically speed up your workflow, providing you with structured formats and common functionalities, ready to be customized to your needs. Accessing the template gallery. To reach the template gallery, you have three options. Click the Templates button located at the top of your dashboard. Choose Start with a template found under the Add New Project menu or visit the direct link retable.io/templates. Exploring templates. Once you're in the template gallery, use the search bar at the top to quickly find templates that fit your project's needs. If you're not sure what you're looking for, you can also take a look at the template categories specific to the categories you need. Templates are categorized according to use cases. Browse through the variety of templates available. Each template card provides a brief overview of the template's purpose and layout. Previewing a template. Click on the template card that interests you. This action will take you to a detailed page for that specific template. Here, you can preview the template to see its structure, fields, views, and many predefined content it may contain. Using the template. After adding the template to your workspace, select the Use Template option, and then you'll be directed to your spreadsheet with the chosen template. Now, you can customize the template further to fit your specific needs, adding or modifying fields, views, and records as necessary. By mastering these important features, you can efficiently migrate all your essential data into Retable, making it your centralized platform for data management and collaboration. And with the help of Retable's templates, you're well equipped to jumpstart your projects with ease. Explore these features to make the most of your Retable experience and elevate your data organization to the next level.